How does practical application relate to critical thinking? Have you ever wondered how putting knowledge into action can sharpen your thinking skills? Let's break it down. Practical application is all about using what you learn in real-life situations. This is where critical thinking comes into play. Critical thinking involves analyzing and evaluating information to make informed decisions. When you apply this thinking to actual tasks, it helps you understand concepts better. Think about it this way. When you gather information, question what you know, and weigh the evidence, you are engaging in critical thinking. Now, when you take those steps and apply them practically, like through hands-on activities or real-world scenarios, you are using kinesthetic learning strategies. This active involvement not only boosts your understanding but also shows you how useful or limited your knowledge can be in different contexts. Practical application allows you to test your ideas. For instance, if you come up with a hypothesis, you can verify its validity by applying it in real situations. This process is essential for critical thinking. You also get to reflect it on what happens, which helps you revise your thoughts based on new evidence. This reflection is a key part of thinking critically. Moreover, practical application nurtures traits like open-mindedness and responsibility. Engaging in real experiences helps you develop a mindset that values truth-seeking. It also improves your decision-making skills. You learn to evaluate different options, anticipate outcomes, and make sound judgments. Now let's look at how this fits into effective study techniques. Instead of just reading or memorizing, you can incorporate practical application into your study routine. This means actively experimenting, solving problems, or even teaching what you learn to someone else. By doing this, you make abstract ideas more tangible and relevant, which helps you remember them better. For example, if you are studying a scientific concept, why not conduct an experiment related to it? This forces you to apply critical thinking as you design the experiment, interpret the results, and draw conclusions. In subjects like history or literature, you can engage in debates, write reflective essays, or analyze case studies. These activities connect theory with practice and make learning more engaging. In essence, practical application serves as a bridge between critical thinking and action. It helps you apply, test, and reflect it on your thoughts in real or simulated situations. This makes your learning experience more active and effective. So, the next time you study, think about how you can apply what you learn in practical ways. It could be the key to sharpening your critical thinking skills and making your studies more enjoyable.